In primetime news this evening, we're moving on. Prime Minister uses face-to-face meeting to tell royals Jamaica is to remove the Queen as head of state. Mixed reactions to the royals' 3-day visit. And yet another male student killed under violent circumstances. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're live on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green. Now also this evening we have the business day. There's Primetime Sports, Sports Commentary, E-Prime and Weather. But before the break, here's our feedback question. This evening we're asking, do you agree with calls for an apology for slavery from the British royals who are currently on tour of Jamaica? Give reasons for your view. Now you can share those comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica or tweet at televisionjam1. Please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.